welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ashley. So I know you're sitting there looking like, Ashley, what's going on with this hair? I don't understand. Well, look, neither do I. So I am before you looking all crazy because I'm getting ready to do a little experimenting. But first, let me give you a little backstory. Those of you that know me know that for the last 30 years, my mother has done my hair. Lately, I'm sorry, that was the TV. My dad has decided to just kick it up a notch. But you know what? It's fine. I am losing it today. Anyway, for the last 30 years, my mom has done my hair. And recently, she's gone on strike. And I'm just like, what do you mean? She's like, hey, I'm not doing it. You need to na-na-na, na-na-na. She hates me. She hates me. That's it. But you know what? She does have a point. I should attempt to either do something to my hair or pay somebody. And the way times are now, I can't do it. I can't do it. Like, I'm getting my hair done for free for however many years, and now I gotta pay. I won't. Would not, could not, in a box. Okay? Would not, could not with the fox. I'm not gonna do it. So that just means I gotta put hand to scalp and get it popping. So I am going to attempt to do some spring twist. I'm gonna attempt to twist my hair, and the hair I got is called spring twist. It's down here. It is the Twisted Up by X-Pressions by Outre. That's who it is. We're gonna see how it works. We're gonna see how it comes out. If it comes out great, I'll be back. If it doesn't, this video never happened, but you'll be watching it, so it did happen. All right, so stay tuned. Hopefully I don't come out looking a mess. All right. So when I started, the sun was up. I have you in my hand, so that's why. But when I first started, the sun was up. It's now down. It's late. I'm hungry. And I'm halfway done. And it's it's taking longer than it should because I've never done this before. This is my first time. I think I had to redo the back like hella times. But I'm honestly very proud of myself because these hoes are in. What they look like, they probably look crazy. My parts probably look crazy. But you know what? They're in. They're pretty taut. I'm excited. The beginning of a new era, you know. In a second, I'll probably prop the camera up and we'll really get it popping. Because I'll be on to the front where I can see. I couldn't see the back. You see, it looks crazy over here. I got my mirror. And I got another mirror over here. Long mirror so I can see. But so far, I'm not doing too shabby. Like I said, it's my very first time. And I'm proud of myself. My mom's even checked in on me a couple times. She was like, they don't look crazy. So, get you know what? Hold on. Delivers from Eva is playing. I'm just gonna put it up on mute for a little bit. Never mind what's going on back here or back there. It's late AF. I'm not so close because you can see everything. Anyway, it's late AF. I got this one piece in the front that still needs to get done. Some of these look real janky. Some of them don't. Let me see. This is a janky one. Yep, this is a janky one. But some of these look really nice. I'm gonna finish this one and I'm going to bed. We'll finish tomorrow. So it is the next morning, and here I am just trying to finish up. This twist gave me the blues, and I was very glad to just go on and move on. So here I am applying some twisting butter to this section. I'll tell you what it is later on in the video, and it'll also be in the description box. The hair comes somewhat separated, so for the bigger sections I use 1.5 pieces of hair to complete the twist. So here I am just popping that on there. It was easiest for me to place the hair underneath the section and bring it in from the top. I braided it down like so, and so I felt the need to start twisting it. So here I am just trying to blend or tuck my actual hair with the two sections before I bring them together. Here I did this, but I didn't do this for all of the twist. I just kind of try to feel what feels right. Feel it out. I try to feel it out. So I did that for this twist, but I didn't do that for all of them. But afterwards, after I felt the hair was blended enough, I just went ahead and twisted on down. As you can see, I had to go back with a little bit of gel to just blend it a little bit better, but there it is. Nothing too crazy. That's how I got it together. All right. I did it. Get into it. Also, get into this glorious light. God is showing out on today, honey. All right, so I am done. Sorry, my dog's at the door. I am finished. It took me overall, I'd say maybe 8 hours, and that's only because first time. Guys, you wanna say hi, Poop? Come here. Oh, everybody meet Grizzly. Say hello. All right, hello. All right, that's enough. Okay, so it took me probably 8 hours because I was doing it by myself. B was my first time. C, I took hella breaks and looked at my phone like all the time. But I also just had to find my footing. So I redid a lot. Some of them look raggedy, some of them don't. I remember watching a video and then looking at my twist, and I was like, my joints don't look springy. I think the only one that looks springy is this one. But maybe it was the way I twisted. Maybe it was, the amount of tension I put. I don't know. I don't know what it was, but it didn't quite look springy everywhere. But I'm honestly not mad. I'm just happy that I got them up here, that they're staying, they're nice and taut, they're not on the floor. That's exciting. I'm with it. I only used about a pack. I want to say a pack and 2/3, because the pack comes with 3 bundles. So I used 1 full pack, and then I used 2 of the 3 bundles of the second pack. So I have a whole another 2 packs. I bought 4 packs total. So I will be doing this again. I'm hyped. Y'all don't even know. I never thought I would see the day where I would put my own twist up here. Though my mom did not get in here, she did give me some guidance. The next day, she told me that some of my parts up here were kind of long, so I redid those, and it honestly does look better. I am geeked. Oh, I guess I could show you what I used. So when I was making the parts and doing each individual twist, I used some of this Alikay, I think how you say it, Alikay Naturals twisting butter. I put this on the actual hair, and then I used some Talia Wajid, I think that's how you say it. Tight hold. Yep, that right there. Tight hold gel. I think this is a gel. I like the way it smells. I see some of the girls, be doing all these comb things on their I don't have time for that because it's not gonna stay. I know who I am and I know how I sleep and I know how I live, and it's just not gonna stay. I'll just take my toothbrush and go over it when it's time to go over it, honey. And I also dipped it. I also see that the girls aren't dipping their twists or braids these days, but you know, I'm a little old school. So I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna dip these braids, girl. It just gives it a little bit of that, so it makes me feel good. But overall, no matter how many look janky, no matter how my parts look, I'd say it's a successful. I'm happy. I don't have to do my hair for the next couple of weeks, maybe 2 months, because I'm tired. I've had enough. So I will be back. I mean, you'll see them in videos. You'll see how they wear and tear. Maybe we'll talk about it. Maybe we won't. Who's to say? I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like I said, I used, you know what? I'm just going to put it in the description box if you want to know everything that I used and all of that. So again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Come back and join me again. Okay, Erin. All right. Hit subscribe. Hit that notification. Do I have the notification? I don't know. I don't know if everyone has the notification bell so you can see when I upload. But I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.